All right, guys, everybody knows that Caterpillar makes some really heavy-duty equipment, heavy steel, and it's got to be durable because it has to work in some really harsh environments. So one of you saw this guy on, I guess, Amazon, had it sent directly to me. This is a padlock for a Caterpillar, and they actually spelled it right. I've seen these actually with, like the insect, ER. They spelled this like Caterpillar, like the D7, So anyway, let's see what we got here. Quit talking, Bill. Just shut up. Let's see what we got. All right, right away, we saw that. I guess you saw that already. That made in China. Okay, so I think we know where this came from. Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's see what we got. I've got a feeling we're going to be looking at a wafer lock here. Yeah. Doesn't even have a shutter. We got a nice little rubber thing. It's pre-dented. This side's lighter than that side. This is a little heavier duty. Yeah, that's real soft right there. I don't know why. All right, so we have what appears to be a double-sided or a single-sided wafer lock because no, maybe double, because they're different on each side. And that would be false advertising. I only see wafers on this side. The side with a little dot. So they've got an orientation dot. No idea. There's no dot on the key. No idea what that means, but I guess that tells you what side the wafers are on. So if you're picking in the dark, it does work. Really powerful spring in there. So, that's a plus. All right. Oh, yeah. How cool is that? I bet we could just pull that right out of there. But before we do that, we'll have a little fun, right? Let's pretend like we didn't know that popped off. All right. So we got dot. We got wafers on that side. Let me get a tensioner here. See what we got. See if I can tension this I'll just stick the whole thing in there. Tell you what, why don't I go from the bottom like that? And you know what I'm going to grab, and that would be any rake. Absolutely any rake in your arsenal. I'm going to use this guy. Let's see if we can get him raked open real quick. And then we can torture him a little bit. Yeah, so that's too easy. All right. All right, I'm so tempted just to grab like a pair of pliers or screwdriver and pry that out, but I'm not going to do it yet. Let's try one thing here. It's such a junky lock. It just really is. I'm wondering if we can do like the wrapping trick, because I can't imagine that it's got too good of a locking mechanism. Just so I don't break I'm going to use the soft end. So let's see if we can just give him a little jolt here. Yeah, that saved me a whole bunch of steps. Wow. Wow. Yeah. That is not Caterpillar tough, I can say that. That wasn't even... I think the only thing that held that in there was this rubber doodad, this anti-theft, anti-vandalism cover to prevent guys from going in there and dumping the guts. My goodness. All right. Again, I'm going to urge you guys to quit sending these made in China knockoff locks to me from Amazon. I think any of those locks that are listed on Amazon are like under $10, probably not really worth us taking time to look at. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal, and whoever sent this in, yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. Later, guys.